And our last statement here, the statement of cash flows. Let's look at that. All right, so statement of cash flows. I just want you to know the definition here. We're actually going to focus on the statement of cash flows in a later chapter. So this financial statement shows all the cash inflows or cash receipts, inflows, and all the cash outflows or cash payments for a company over a given period of time, usually a year. Okay, so just know the definition for now. Like I said, we spend an entire chapter on that later. I think it's chapter 16. There you go. That's the statement of cash flows. So now you have seen all of the statements. You know what is found on each one, right? Revenues and expenses for the income statement. That equals net income. On the statement of retained earnings, we said that we're going to see our beginning balance. We're going to add net income to it, subtract dividends to get our ending balance. On the balance sheet, to summarize, we said we're going to see our assets, our liability, and our owner's equity. And on the statement of cash flows, we're just going to see all of the cash inflows minus the cash outflows. Okay, we'll spend time in a later video actually formatting each one of the first three financial statements. For now, I just want you to gain more comfortability what is on each statement. So try that practice exercise that I have there for you. And then you're also going to have an assignment where you have to match items to one of these three financial statements. We're not going to cover the statement of cash flow in this early chapter. Just know it makes up the fourth statement and kind of know what's found on it. You're not going to have to prepare it, and I'm not going to ask you any more questions beyond that. All right, have fun.